everybody. Still here over at Moosamaloo Campground in Goshen, Vermont. I don't remember where I was here, but anyway, getting ready to make myself some dinner tonight. And ever since making that breakfast pizza that I came up with using the Crescent rolls, I've been wondering how it would come out as a dinner pizza. So that's what I'm working on tonight. I decided to try that. Since it's raining a little bit here tonight, I've got everything set up under the covers. I've already got the oven set up, it's heating, and we're getting ready to do that. So we're gonna make a Crescent roll pizza. And it's gonna have onions, peppers, olives, ham, bacon, a little bit of everything on it, so it should be good. So we're gonna try that out here. Well, this is going to be an interesting experiment to see how a Crescent roll pizza tastes. So we start off with that same little can of Crescent roll. That opened up. There we go. Popped right open for me. Take some Crescent roll material out of it. Cutting board for the moment. Like that. Press it out into a kind of a deep dish pizza type layout here if we can. Okay, switching you guys back to the wider field of view camera here. Trying to lay out the crust and everything in the pan. It's not exactly the easiest task, trying to figure out how to make 4 triangles fit the whole pan. Fun part is I want to put some of it up on the side walls here to give it a little bit more of a deep dish effect. Been wanting to try this dinner for a little while now, so it's about time I finally did. Okay, yeah, there's your pizza crust. That's all set. Next we're going to add some sauce to it. You got more sauce left for another dinner too. Sauce. Add some cheese. So for the cheese, I've got cheddar and mozzarella. Cabot cheese, which is exactly the cheese you're supposed to be using in Vermont. That's the cheddar, some mozzarella on, and then we'll work on the toppings. Of course, I have no idea how long to actually bake this for. Okay, cheese, got some pepper and onion, and dice up and throw on there. We got the pepper diced up, we'll throw that on. Okay. We'll throw some onion on there too. Seeds out of the way. And here comes the next wave of rain. Not all this firewood with me, I'm probably not going to get to use it. Oh well. That's what happens when you go camping in a tropical storm. I'll layer this off. Okay, so we got lots of onion and pepper on here. Probably a little bit too much, but Now we're going to add the olives. Now my brother completely disagrees with me on this one, but I think the best olives for pizza are the green olives. I think the black olives just lack flavor. I know that's what most pizzas have is black olives, but I think green olives are just the way to go. So, what do you guys think? Black or green? The first time I made a pizza while camping with him and I put the green olives on it, he nearly lost his mind. Because I put what I like on the pizza. So, hey, to each their own, right? And they like lots of green olives on it too. There we go. That ought to do it. Now for the bacon, I'm just going to cheat. I bought a bottle of bacon bits. I'm just going to sprinkle those on. I'm not going to go frying up pieces of bacon just to make a pizza. Too much work. Alright. And I got some ham. Purchased at on clearance at Market Basket with 2 days left before the use-by date, so I got them home, got them right in the freezer. When I take out a bag of ham from this, it's got to be used up in 2 days. And this is already on day 2 right now, so that should do it. That is one very loaded pizza. Let's get it in the oven. All right, now we wait. Okay, so the pizza is now ready to come out of the oven. Grab my pot holder so I don't burn myself. Gas off. Oh, that's quieter. Turn that up. Sure looks good. Oh, that's hot. Hot pan. Okay. We got to get it out of the pan and on this cutting board here. I am prepared. See if we can get this pizza out of this pan here. Or if I've burnt it into the bottom of the pan somehow. Oh, it's going to come right up. Ooh, perfect. Didn't even need the big spatula. Look at that. Yeah, I can put this back. I don't have to wash it. Okay, so I've got another toy that I've been anxiously awaiting the chance to use here. This one's going to be fun. And I got myself a Klingon batleth. At least that's what it reminded me when I saw it. It's a pizza slicer. Picked it up at Walmart for not too much money. I don't know how well it's going to work yet, but let's find out. Oh yeah, that's good. I like that. That's good. Does a good job slicing. Oh, look at that. This is a good purchase. All right. Klingons for the win. Anyway, okay. Let's get this onto a plate. And then we're going to go inside to eat today. Right. Anxious to see how this came out. Messy. That's how it came out. It came out messy. Certainly too much food, I can guarantee you that. Way too much pizza. When we made the breakfast pizza, it was about right in the size, but this has a lot more toppings on it. Yeah. Okay, let's go eat. Yeah, it's a mess in here, I know. I gotta get this place cleaned up. Let's just go everywhere. Alright, so this didn't get used, so I can go back in the drawer. Somehow. Fork. My knife. Oh, I'm so anxious to try this. see. We'll pair it up with a bottle of Coke. Right. Oh, cup. Shoes and stuff out of the way so I can pull the chair up. Yep, we gotta get this van cleaned up. Alright. That should get me started. Alright. Let's find out how a crescent roll pizza is. It's a very different taste than a traditional pizza, but it's really good. I like this. I'm glad I made it. Alright, I'm going to eat my dinner. And if we get a break in the rain, maybe we'll actually be able to go out and do something tonight. In the meantime, I'm going to eat. Talk to you guys in a bit. So after I finished the pizza, I really didn't do much tonight. Kind of just goofed off a bit, relaxed. But pizza was good. I'm not sure if it was the best pizza I've ever had, but definitely not. But yeah, the crescent roll pizza works out okay. It's not the best crust, but it's not the worst either. So, and it was easy to make. So I guess it's got a plus there. I wish I could get regular pizza crust in a can that small, but they don't expect people to make such small pizzas. So, oh well. Anyway, nothing much else going on here tonight. After I finished dinner, I kind of just goofed off, watched some YouTube. That's about it. Listen to the rain on the roof, because this is what I've been listening to. This is going to be probably a familiar sound for the next day. So tomorrow we'll be getting up and we'll have a quick breakfast, pack up, and we're heading to Bear Brook State Park. Unless the weather forecast changes even worse, and we're going to head back to the home base and hunker down over there. But right now it's definitely not looking good up in this area. I bring up AccuWeather here. It's they're predicting some serious weather in this area here. So let's see. East Middlebury, Vermont. That's about the closest point on according to AccuWeather to here. You got the local Debbie tracker, and as you can see, it turns red. That's not good. We're right in the path, and look at this, total rainfall. I'm not sure, you probably can't even see that there. It says 4 to 8 inches. 4 to 8 inches of rain in this storm here, and that's going to be in a time from, let's see, I'm saying when it's going to start. Yeah, they don't even say what time it's going to start at now. But technically, it's already started, I guess. But heavy rain coming in, though. That's for sure. It's going to be a fast-moving storm, though. By Saturday at 8 a.m., they say it's going to be up over Canada someplace. So it's going to move through quickly, very quickly. So. Yeah, there you go, you can see that. So that's the path of the storm there. And so Bear Brook State Park is just outside of its predicted path. So it's still going to be hit by the storm, but not going to be hit as hard. So, yeah, we're getting out of the main area of the storm anyway. And if Bear Brook State Park looks like it's going to be not great weather either, then we'll just head back to the home base and hunker down over there for the storm. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm going to still keep an eye on the weather before I make any final decisions on this. But yeah, we're getting prepared for that, so should be interesting. Alright. As you can see, I'm in bed. I'm ready to go to sleep now, so so I guess that's where we're going to end today's video. And, well, we'll pick it up in the morning for moving day. So we'll see you then. Remember, slow down, enjoy life, and always be kind. And also enjoy listening to the rain on the roof. We'll talk to you guys later.